Hi guys, Rythan here. Today I am on my boat and I just wanted to show you guys this because I think it looks amazing. Well, it's not really short of a video. I think it's going to be at least like a minute. But I am on my boat. We are at Black Point Marina. And yeah, we're still going very slowly. When we catch up, then we'll start going fast. I'm going to record a video of that if you guys want to. So just leave it down in the comments below. I will be doing gaming. I will be doing FIFA 16. I figured out how to do it on the Xbox, and I will be doing it on the Xbox. So keep that in mind. I am not just like doing vlogs randomly, because I am going to be doing gaming videos. I'm going to be doing trick shot videos. I'm going to be doing sports videos. So I'm more gamer than vlogger, because Well, I'm just on my butt. I want to share that with you guys because I think it looks amazing. See you next time. See you in the next video.